Hello, it's Monica today from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. I'm so happy because I wanted to share some really good news for you. I wanted to say a massive thank you because today I'm celebrating reaching 300 YouTube subscribers on my channel, and I'm just so happy. So I thought, yes, I want to give you something for free, and I designed heart mandalas, and you can print them on A4 paper, A5 paper, whichever you want. As you can see, I've got two designs and you can decorate them the way you want. You can use alcohol markers, aqua markers, pencils, or even paint if you want. You can color them in rainbow colors, monochromatic, and then you can cut those mandalas into smaller pieces for very beautiful designs. With this beautiful heart mandala, you can actually cut the inside of the hearts, you can create shaker cards. Inside of each of the heart, you can put a letter for a hidden message. You can do whatever you want. Now I'm going to show you how to get them for free. So you have to go to Buy Me a Coffee website, and I created my account there so you can find my designs. And it is Quilling Lady. And when you go there, you will see my front page. As you can see, there is just one design at the moment. You have to go to extras and you will get that beautiful design, and you can actually download it for free. However, if you want to donate some money, you can do that as well. So when you've got your design, you can print it as many times as you want, and you can use them for a variety of occasions. Now I'm going to show you that I printed it on A4, but I actually printed two at the same time, so my mandalas are slightly smaller, and I decorate them in different color variations, and I'm going to show you what I made with them. Because it is a thank you video, so I created 3 thank you cards. And again, you can use any color combos for those beautiful designs, and you can use them for birthdays, thank you, maybe new baby cards, and also weddings and anniversaries as well. So you can celebrate in so many different ways. Now my first one, I decided to go with beautiful greens and yellows, and for these hearts I actually used tri-blend markers by Spectre Noir, and then I added few gold gems because I wanted the gems to match my thank you sentiment. And I wonder, what do you think about this color palette? Please let me know what occasion would it be perfect for. Maybe new baby or wedding. I'm really curious, so please let me know what do you think. For the second card, I colored in my mandala in rainbow order, and then I cut it in half and created the design, one at the top and one at the bottom. And actually, as you can see, the purple and the pink meets in the middle, and I really like how it turned out. And then I added just few gems because I didn't want my design to be too complex here. So that's our second card, and again I use gold mirror card for extra shine. Now I really wonder, would you like to give it a try? I really hope you will. And for the third card, I used the other design. And as you can see, with the biggest heart, I actually use my craft knife. I cut out the inside of the hearts and I use it as a shaker card because yes, you can do it. If you want, you can also put some letters on top of the hearts, and that way you will have really nice sentiment. And I added few gems, especially inside the flowers and in the corners for extra dimension and interest. I really encourage you to have a look at my designs and please download them and play with them. And I really hope you will enjoy it because it was so special for me, and I'm just so happy for reaching 300 YouTube subscribers on my channel. So I thought, yes, let's give you something that you probably will use. And again, you can print those designs as many times as you want, and you can create beautiful projects. If you create them, I would really like to see what you make. And actually, which one of those 3 cards is your favorite? Now, as you can see, I've got still the same hearts, and you can color them the way you want. I actually colored in some more. However, I'm going to leave it for my next video, maybe next month, to see what you create, and then I can share your makes and what I made as well. And I think that would be a really good idea to see what we can actually create with those two designs. And when I reach 500 subscribers, I will have another free designs for you to download. So please support me, because that means so much to me, especially when you leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And when you've got your designs, you can print them on 160, 250 GSM card for extra strength for your projects. Now I'm going to show you a hashtag which I really want you to use when you create your beautiful designs, and please share your makes on Instagram and YouTube so everyone can see them, and this way you will support me as well. So the hashtag is QLheartmandala, and please have a look at the description down below, because I left the link to Buy Me a Coffee website and also the hashtag for you to use. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you will use those free heart mandala designs for your beautiful projects. See you in my next video. Bye for now.